What's up everybody, Justin from GadgetGetters here. Now I picked up a pair of these because JBL claims that these headphones are pure bass, but really just how bassy are they? These are the JBL Tune 510s. Today we're going to take a deeper dive and see if these headphones are right for you. Now the color options that they provide are black, blue, rose, and white. I personally went with the black. Can't go wrong. The Tune 510s also have a 4.6 star rating on Amazon with over 63,000 ratings. Now in the box it comes with your quick start guide, a USB to USB-C for charging, and the Tune 510s. I love how they did the packaging, by the way. Very neat. These headphones have a great battery life, coming in at 40 hours of listening. Also, when you charge this when the headphones are out of power, it only takes 2 hours to charge. But listen to this. The JBLs are built with speed charge, which means if you plug it in for 5 minutes when it's low power, you'll get 2 hours of playing time. Which is crazy if you like to listen to music all day, like this guy. Now taking a closer look at the headphones, it's got a plastic feel all around, with the cushions being on top and on the earpieces. And on the inside, JBL labeled the right and the left earpiece. You can move them left and right and fold them inward for portability, so they'll fit pretty snug in your backpack or your purse. If you move the right earpiece a little bit, there's a USB-C port for your charging and an air vent, which is on both sides. On the bottom, there's your volume up and down, which is also used for going back and skipping tracks if you hold down on it. In the middle, there's your play pause, your answer and decline for phone calls, and if you double tap the button, it activates your voice commands. On the right, you're going to see a little LED light that indicates you're charging or pairing. There's the power button, and there's the built-in microphone. Taking a closer look at the LED light, when you plug it in, it'll light up orange to let you know that it's charging. If the headphones are trying to find a device to pair with, it will blink blue. And when you're connected, it'll stay a solid blue. So I grabbed my headphones and charged them up, and I took them outside for a little test. I will tell you that these headphones don't come with noise canceling, but JBL was not lying when they mentioned pure bass, cause these headphones hit the deep bass notes very well, all while still containing a good sound, no distortion. I put the microphone to the speaker so you can hear what it sounds like. Here, take a listen. Now I know a lot of people text nowadays, but if you get a phone call, these headphones have a built-in microphone as I mentioned earlier. So let's go do a mic test and see what it sounds like. So this is a mic test on the JBL Tune 510s to see how well my voice sounds over the phone. Test. 1 2 1 2. In my opinion, if you're a bass head, or even if you like clarity, I think the Tune 10s would be a great pick for you because it's got the best in both worlds. You got that hidden deep bass, all while maintaining some good clarity. These are pretty lightweight, and the cushions on the ears are pretty comfortable. Not to mention these are portable, great sound on the go. And with this fast 5-minute charging for 2 hours of play, that's a pretty long time. In my opinion, these headphones are definitely a great pick. I'll be taking them with me. And if you're interested in these headphones, I will leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin. This is GadgetGetters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more content just like this. And I will catch y'all on the next one.